Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and let's talk about something I love, taking care of your health. We all know how important a healthy lifestyle is, but sometimes we need a little boost from Mother Nature. That's where this amazing spice comes in. Saffron, treasured for centuries for its flavor, aroma, and medicinal properties. Today, we're diving deep into saffron's incredible health and beauty benefits. Stick around because this is one video you don't want to miss. So what exactly is saffron and what makes it so special? Picture this, a field of beautiful purple crocus sativus flowers. Each flower produces just a few delicate crimson-red threads called stigmas, known as saffron. Harvesting these threads is a labor of love, done by hand, making saffron the most expensive spice in the world. These little threads are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and compounds with remarkable medicinal properties. Think of saffron as a natural health supplement, but instead of swallowing a pill, you get to enjoy its unique flavor and aroma in your food. Now you might be thinking, okay Dr. Mike, but what does it actually do for me? Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore the incredible health benefits of this golden spice. Get ready to be amazed by how saffron can transform your health and well-being from the inside out. Let's talk about something that affects so many of us these days: stress, anxiety, and low mood. It's tough out there and it's easy to feel overwhelmed, but here's where saffron comes in like a warm hug for your brain. Saffron is often called the sunshine spice, and for good reason. Studies have shown that saffron can help increase serotonin levels in the brain. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Two amazing compounds found in saffron, crocin and saffronol, are responsible for these mood-boosting effects. And the best part? Unlike some medications that can have side effects, saffron is a natural and gentle way to support your mental health. Imagine feeling more balanced, less anxious, and more able to cope with the ups and downs of life. That's the power of saffron. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a sharp memory and optimal brain function is crucial. Saffron can be your brain's new best friend. This golden spice is packed with powerful antioxidants that act like little bodyguards for your brain cells. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting your brain from damage and keeping it functioning at its best. Saffron has also been studied for its potential benefits in supporting memory and cognitive function in people with age-related cognitive decline, including Alzheimer's disease. Early studies suggest that saffron may help improve memory, learning, and overall cognitive performance. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your brain health, enhance your memory, and stay sharp, saffron is definitely worth adding to your daily routine. Let's be honest, we all want healthy, radiant skin that glows from within. As we age, our skin naturally loses its elasticity, and fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots start to appear. Saffron is a beauty secret that can help you achieve that coveted glow. This golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional skincare routines. Saffron is a powerhouse of antioxidants which fight those pesky free radicals that can damage skin cells and accelerate aging. By neutralizing free radicals, saffron helps protect your skin from environmental damage, keeping it looking youthful and radiant. Saffron also possesses anti-inflammatory properties which can help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and even out skin tone. If you struggle with blemishes, acne scars, or hyperpigmentation, saffron can be a natural way to help fade these imperfections and reveal clearer, brighter skin. Try mixing a pinch of saffron with a teaspoon of raw honey or milk to create a luxurious face mask. Apply it to your face and neck, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel incredibly soft, smooth, and radiant. We all know how important it is to have a strong immune system, especially in today's world. Our immune system is our body's natural defense system, protecting us from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and toxins. Saffron is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, meaning it can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation underlies many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. By reducing inflammation, saffron helps create a healthier internal environment, supporting overall well-being and reducing the risk of these chronic conditions. Saffron also contains compounds that can help boost your immune system, making it more resilient and better equipped to fight off infections. Add a pinch of saffron to your soups, stews, rice dishes, or even your morning smoothies to reap these immune-boosting benefits. Ladies, let's talk about something that affects so many of us every month. PMS and hormonal imbalances, the cramps, the mood swings, the bloating. It's not fun. But here's the good news. Saffron can be a natural and gentle way to find relief from these monthly woes. Saffron has been traditionally used to ease menstrual discomfort and promote hormonal balance, and modern research is starting to back up these traditional uses. Saffron has been found to have a regulating effect on estrogen levels in the body. By helping to regulate estrogen levels, saffron can help reduce the severity of cramps, mood swings, and other PMS-related discomforts. Saffron's mood-boosting properties can also be particularly helpful during PMS, when mood swings and irritability are common. So, if you're looking for a natural way to ease your PMS symptoms, balance your hormones, and sail through your monthly cycle with more ease and comfort, saffron is definitely worth trying. So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the world of saffron and uncovered its incredible health and beauty benefits. From boosting your mood and sharpening your mind to giving you glowing skin and supporting your immune system, saffron is truly a gift from nature. A little goes a long way. Just a pinch of saffron in your daily routine can make a world of difference. So, what are you waiting for? Head to your local spice shop or order some saffron online and experience the magic of this golden spice for yourself.